This is K9 wireless mic. Today I want to show you how to connect this to your phone. Okay, hello guys, if it's our first time to meet, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. My name is Lindo, Mr. Romantic. Today I want to show you how to connect this mic to your phone. Okay, right now let's unbox it. It's brand new guys. So when it's boxed like this guys, when you are buying it, please make sure that you check this return. You see here it say for type C, here it say for iPhone, right? So when it's tick like this, it means that inside it's for type C. Even if outside it's showing iPhone, it doesn't matter, you just check it like this. So what I did before guys, I bought this thing. Outside was decorating like this C type, but inside was for iPhone because I didn't check here. Another thing guys, this one is double mic. They also have single mic, which is showing here again. So you see here it's single mic, here is double mic. So they tick here is showing that this mic is double inside. So without wasting any time guys, let's unbox it. Actually there is two ways to connect this thing. First one is the manual. We just unbox it. I will show you how to connect it. And the second one, we have to use application, because some phones they don't usually support this mic, so we have to do further with some applications. Now we are unboxing it. Let's unbox it guys. Okay, you ready? Wow, as I was telling you guys, this is port the receiver. Okay, it doesn't have button, it's only have charging system. So when you are putting it there, you can actually charge your phone when you are using it. Okay, we have mic, one mic. It have a clip when you want to clip. So it have a button guys, it have a button switch to switch it off and on. So there are two mics. So me now I'm alone, I'm shooting a YouTube video, so I'll use one. So if you are two making a content, or you have your partner, or you have your audience doing some interview, you can give them one mic. So there's no need for you to sharing one mic. So at first guys, you switch this button. You see it's a power on power off button. I'll switch it. I bet here it will come blinking light green and red. Okay, let's switch on guys. You see it's blinking red and light, red and green. It's blinking, you see it's like vibrating. I don't know what you call it. So there is a clip here, so which I will use this one next to R, that stands for Mr. Romantic. Okay, you see guys, it's blinking. I have put here receiver So now I'm going to test it. I will put it there, so you guys will notice my voice that is still the same or it's changed. Right, I open the window so that we can hear the noise cancellation, because we call this noise cancellation. There is this windproof. Once I put this on, I bet we won't hear any sound. We'll concentrate to my voice. Okay guys, let me connect this thing. Guys, me, I can't hear my voice. You are the one who can tell me that the voice is changed or not. Can you please guys tell me, is my voice changed or not? Can you comment, say yes, yes, say hello, or should I sing? But you see this light now, it's steady green. It's showing that it's connected, even though I'm not hearing it, but I can feel that it's connected because of this green light. Now it's dead. I bet now you can't hear the sounds of birds crying, winds moving. These things you can't use it to another port, which is that this mic you can only use it to this port. You can't take another port of another box and mix it with this one. It can't work, guys. If you lost one of these items, it means we have to buy another one. Okay, so guys, since I was telling you this, we just open it and connect, and then it worked, guys. So if it happens your phone it doesn't support this manual thing, I have another option for you guys, which is I will screen record it for you to show you. Another thing, this is manual, guys, so I don't think you still need this thing after I show you how to connect it. This is manual. Another method, guys, you have to install the application, which I will be showing you right now to my phone with screen record. Okay, so let's get into it. You can go to Play Store, right? When you go to Play Store, you search Open Camera application. Open Camera application and search. This is the application, guys. You can use it when that manual doesn't support your mic. So we install it. We can install it. Okay, it's installing, guys. Please be patient. Another thing, I want you to stay here for watching hours. Okay, stay with me, guys. Then it's installed. Now when it's installed, now you open the application, open that Open Camera. So when we are here, guys, we have to go to the settings are here. Yes, when we go to the settings, we are doing video, guys, so we need video settings. Then this is video settings. We click here. After video settings, we scroll down until we find audio source. Then it's for microphone to use for recording audios. Then we click audio source. You see, when it's audio source, it will show you the options. So our purpose, guys, we download this application for mic when your mic doesn't support in manual way. So you remove here in camcorder and put it to external mic if present. You click here, guys. You see, you click here, external mic if present. After that, you can exit. Guys, I hope this video helps you. Can you please subscribe to my channel and like my video, guys? We'll meet in next video. My name is Lindo, Mr. Romantic. Thank you so much, guys.